What's up, y'all? It's your girl Magali back with another video or whatever. Look what I'm gonna be making today, you guys. A cute ass Mother's Day dozen. So I started off by dipping 4 of the berries in pink, and this is actually the food coloring color mill in the color candy. So I was originally gonna add milk chocolate berries to my dozen, that's why this clip is in it, but I'm gonna end up changing it at the end, so yeah. So I ended up laying out all these berries on a napkin because I have this obsession now of splashing them with gold and then going back over them with drizzle. Just give me a second and I'm gonna show you guys. It's so freaking cute. It's my new obsession. I literally try to incorporate this into every order that I make. So this is how I'm gonna do the chocolate ones. I'm just gonna do a drizzle with pink, and it's like the side, but I'm more obsessed with like the pink on pink, you guys know what I mean, but it's still super cute with this chocolate and like the gold splash, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so cute. But look at this, you guys. If you do not add this to your new boxes or whatever the heck, y'all missing out. Look at that. It's perfection. Bon appetit, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so cute. And oh my gosh, you guys, look how freaking cute these sprinkles are. AC Food Crafting was sweet enough to send me this box of sprinkles and chocolate. And I went ahead and used these sprinkles for this Mother's Day dozen, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And I cannot wait to do all my Mother's Day stuff because it's just perfect. Like, look how cute it comes out on this pink, and I'm just absolutely obsessed with this. And of course I had to do like the rainbow, the ombre sprinkle effect. Like, it's just so cute. And don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront for all these goodies. Except the sprinkles, I am going to have them linked down in my description. But everything else is basically from my Amazon, I believe. And y'all, if y'all don't follow me on my Amazon storefront, then I don't know what the heck is wrong with you guys, because I really be out here plugging y'all. And I always feel like every time I do something for Mother's Day or something, I always add almond berries. I don't know why, but I feel like moms love almond. Like, let me know if you a mom and you hate almonds, but I'm always trying to put almond berries in there for the moms because I just know they're bomb. And you guys, guess what? Your girl's gonna start uploading some vlogs, some real day in my lives. I know I only add like the little TikTok clips that I post on here, which are only like a minute long, but I will be making more videos from now on to do like real days in my life. That way you guys can see the whole process from the morning till I go to bed, basically. So yeah, I hope you guys like videos like that, and if you don't, well then too damn bad. I'm about to be posting some. So also, you guys, don't mind if you guys can hear a rooster in the back. My brother has 2 of them, and they just do too much because I'm doing this voiceover in the morning and they want to do me dirty. But yeah. And don't forget to follow your girl on all her social media platforms. They will be linked down below. But let me know what you guys think about this box. It was super easy peasy lemon squeezy and cute as fuck. Bye.